So here's a great little job that we did. A couple of before and after videos here. So this blue room, we changed it over to this, it's kind of a lilac-y, sort of light purple sort of affair. And then these kids' rooms upstairs, you could tell young girls lived here with this neon green. And there it is, back to a nice shade of a neutral, sort of a cold gray. And then there is this yellow room, which again was the other daughter, had this room painted yellow, and it is back to normal as well with this lavender. So flying colors painting, that's how we roll.